Hello. Today we're going to cover how to merge fields within Operations Center. So first what you're going to do is log in. Up here along the top you're going to hit your Setup and your Land button. That's where you're going to find all of your fields and boundaries. So what you're going to do first, you're going to select the two fields or more that you want to merge together. So I have my two selected here. I have a test 1 and a test 2. One currently has a boundary, one does not. But there is data attached with both fields. So I'm going to merge them together. They're duplicate fields, the same field, but it got logged twice. There's data associated with both names. So when I merge those two together, there will now only be one field with one boundary. All of the data will be saved underneath the one field name. So I've got both names selected that I'm going to merge. I will go up here to the top and hit merge. So it brings up a second screen, and what this screen shows on the left is the fields that you're going to merge together, how many boundaries, guidance lines, flag data that's associated with those, and on the right-hand side, it will show the field that you want to keep. There is a checks and balances associated with that. You can scroll down and see a preview of the fields before and after. So if you have multiple field boundaries on the preview on the left, it'll show all of those boundaries. And then on the right, it will show the one that you are keeping. So for this example, I'm selecting test 1 with a boundary as the one I want to keep. If you have multiple boundaries for the fields you're merging together, you can scroll down to the preview. On the right-hand side, it would show the boundary you selected to keep, just so you make sure you're picking the right one. After that, I'm going to hit merge. So what will happen now at the top, it will tell me the fields were successfully merged. It may take a minute for it to show up correctly, but what I've got here is the one field that I wanted to keep, the correct boundary. If you had boundaries for both, those boundaries will be merged together, so you could go in here and delete the inactive boundary that was associated with the second field. If there was guidance attached to both fields that you merged together, you may want to go in here, just make sure that you have the correct guidance lines that you want to keep. And if there's any that need archived, you can do that. Same with flags. But once you merge those two fields together or multiple fields, all of the data associated with those will go to the field that you are keeping.